Cold start. What up, YouTube? It's been a while since I posted, but we are here doing a POV drive in the M550. Hope you guys are doing good, man. Big ass boat. Going on a little drive. Nothing too crazy. Ooh, 3 days grace. Yeah, man, I hope you guys keep tapping in. I mean, the YouTube channel's doing alright. I'm trying to figure out what the fuck this GoPro wants to do, because I changed it to like cinematic on it, and it looks horrible. It's like all dark and shit. And then now I'm trying the standard, and we'll see what that does, because I think I've used it before and it wasn't bad. I don't remember, but whatever. We'll give it a shot. But yeah, man, I hope you guys are having a good day. I'm trying to have a good day. Have a good summer, to be honest. The summer's been shit, dude. What the hell? Yeah, I'm trying to have a good summer, but it's like I am not the best version of myself. Compared to what I was last year, it's getting in my head, I'll tell you that. We'll be alright. Ready for them downshifts? Hold on. Right here. Oof. We're golden. We'll see what this baby got. Woo! That was fun. But yeah, I'm gonna try to get better at like posting videos. It's kind of hard, dude. I mean, I'm not like, you know, rich as fuck where I got just tons of money and ideas and I go do whatever the fuck I want. So one day, but you just gotta bear with me. Cause a lot of people don't think you'll go far until, like, you know. Alright, well, I have no idea why the fuck the camera just turned off. It's got a mind of its own. But what was I saying? I'm saying a lot of people like won't believe in you until you fucking make it happen. So I think that's wild to me, but you know, I'm at the point where I'm making myself like so delusional that I'll make it work. You know what I mean? It's more like, how delusional can I make myself? Because it's fucking insane, bro. Going at this for a long time and haven't had the best of luck, but those downshifts sound so good. That shit sounds so good. If you guys, I made a couple of videos on like reviewing these. I've been telling you guys to get them for a while. You gotta get, you know, the G30s. You can't get the ones before it, because I think those are the ones that are not as like reliable at all. But I mean, they're still fucking fast. But the newer ones, dude, the newer you get, the better, because these bitches are getting like bulletproofed. So it's like, why not, you know? I know this is probably not the most exciting video you guys want to see, but I just wanted to make something and talk to someone, so. And damn, why does everyone have a trailer hooked up to their car? But yeah, man, it's gonna be a short POV drive, but it is a POV drive. It's better than nothing, you know what I mean? It's better than not posting. Just don't have a lot of people that want to, like, no one has the same ideas as me. Nobody wants to do videos with me. No one wants to do. She's low-key bad. She got the longest eyelashes I've ever seen, though. Holy hell. But what was I saying? Yeah, it's better than putting nothing out there. I don't have a lot of people that have the same mindset as me, so they're not gonna, you know, they're limited to the way they think. Like, nobody wants to do videos, no one wants to do anything. It's just like, I guess I'll just do this shit by myself, which is completely fine. It would just be nice to have someone else with me to, like, you know, I want to come up with someone, because I feel like that would be fucking sick, you know what I mean? Instead of coming up by yourself, which is gonna be fine too, but I feel like that's gonna haunt me when I'm older. But it is what it is. Like, imagine coming up with someone, you have money, and then how life would be versus you coming up by yourself with no friends, no anything, no one believed in you. Now you got money. Now who's gonna be your friend over? I mean, you're gonna need something over time. Give a fuck how hard you are or anything. Eventually, you're gonna need, you know, someone to talk to. You're gonna need a friend. I feel like everyone needs that one friend. You can't be singled out forever, so I don't know. So I'm gonna just keep doing me, man, and making content. I got to. And I hope you guys get this M550i. That should be pretty sick. How the fuck does a shopping cart get way over here, bro? I don't even know a shopping cart's yellow. No one has, I don't know. There's not one story that's yellow fucking cart, so that's kind of a bit confusing. But yes, ooh, is that another M550 right next to me? Can't tell. It is a F10, so I don't know. That's that's my dream car right there, the M5 F10. It's a badass car to have, dude. I want that shit. Uh-oh, Popo Hot. Where he going? You gonna go on break or something? Ooh. Alright, boys, we are back and we're in a big ass parking lot. We are back. I need to find a fucking cool ass spot to take a thumbnail, you know? Dude, my lips are dry as fuck. I don't want too much wind in here. Sport, motherfucker. I gotta be careful over here. The boys be over here. I kind of feel like I know a cool spot to do all that, but for a thumbnail, but motherfuckers be always there, dude. It is nice out today. Thank the Lord for that. It's not like too hot, not cold. It's like perfect. I hope you guys are watching my videos eating snacks, because that's what I do. That's like the only time I watch YouTube, is when I'm eating snacks. You know what I mean? Late at night, you just snacking away, clicking any video that looks interesting. I got cut off by a Liberty. Come on, bro. What do we got going on here? This is a 2-lane, brother. What the hell, young? Ah, I see. 2 Kia Stingers? I would do a Kia Stinger so bad, it's not even funny. Yeah, Kia Stinger, I would fucking blow the doors off that. I don't know why people think Kia Stingers are all that fast. They're not. Them bitches will blow up. And if you gotta do a turbo replacement on them, you gotta take apart the whole fucking engine. Hell no, dude. Completely fucked up. Come on, let's go in here. Let's see what this shit's all about. I ain't ever been in here. I have, but it's been years. Whoa. What the hell? What the hell, Leon? I just need a thumbnail, dude. Whoa, I've never been back here. It's so like, I don't even know. What the hell? Bro, I ain't ever been back here ever, bro. What? It's gonna be a... Alright, guys. That's probably gonna do it for this video, but hold on, we gotta make some turbo noise. Hold on. Dude, it's like a jungle back here. Is that an SRT Jeep? 2014? 2013? But yeah, guys, that'll probably do it for this video. It's not going to be as exciting as you probably wanted it to be. But I don't have much going on right now, and I got a lot going on right now. But I'm trying to just make a video to get out there. But yeah, I apologize if it's not like, you know, off the edge of your seat, because that's what I want. But I gotta get to the better version of myself, because it's kind of eating me up, man. So I will get back to you guys in the next video. Thanks for fucking watching. If you made it all the way, you are a real one. And drop a comment. Drop a comment. You don't even gotta subscribe, bro. Just fucking drop a comment and like the video. It's free. You don't gotta pay to do that, you know. So alright, guys, be smooth.